Hello, this is Product Chronicles with Alex. Welcome back to our series on Zalando versus Asos. In part 1, we examined their landing pages and category designs, and in part 2, we explored their shopping experiences. But now, it's time to pull back the curtain and take a look at the engine driving these platforms, product management. In this video, we'll uncover the methods and metrics their teams likely use to build, optimize and scale such massive online experiences. From A/B testing to conversion rate optimization, what's happening behind the scenes to make this platform stick? If you're a product manager or just curious about the strategies powering global e-commerce, this one's for you. Let's dive in. If you're a product manager building something similar, you need to think strategically, and not just about getting customers to the checkout page, but about maximizing the entire customer lifecycle. And for that, let's move beyond some basic like cohort analysis or A/B testing. To start, one of the most impactful metrics in e-commerce is the repeat purchase rate. This isn't just about how many customers come back, but how soon they come back. Asos and Zalando operate in a fast-paced fashion world where trends change monthly or even weekly. For a platform like Asos, you might optimize for shorter RPR cycles by offering personalized trend updates or discounts on next purchase, creating a sense of urgency. Zalando, on the other hand, might push seasonal wardrobe completion campaigns where users are nudged to return and buy complementary items like matching accessories or shoes for a previous purchase. Next, let's talk about customer lifetime value, but with a twist, predicted CLV. Instead of calculating the lifetime value of your current customer base, advanced e-commerce platforms like this use predictive models to estimate future value. For example, if a customer has just purchased a winter coat, predictive algorithms can assess whether they are likely to shop again soon or if they'll want to wait until spring. Asos could use this to recommend trendy winter accessories immediately, while Zalando might suggest complementary products with a longer purchase cycle, like durable boots or luggage for winter vacations. Another big one in this space is personalization indexing, essentially a measure of how effectively the platform tailors its experience for each user. Asos thrives on trends, so its personalization efforts might be geared towards showcasing items similar to what's trending on TikTok or Instagram. Zalando, in contrast, could prioritize utility by personalizing searches for sustainable or size-inclusive options. The challenge here isn't just the accuracy of the recommendation engine, but its timeliness. How fast can the platform adapt to changing user preferences? This brings me to search-to-cart ratio. In e-commerce, search is the front door to conversion. On Asos, users are likely searching for specific trend keywords like oversized bomber jackets, while on Zalando, they might search for more functional terms like waterproof hiking boots. Optimizing this ratio isn't just about improving search accuracy, it's about minimizing friction. Asos might use visual search tools where users can upload a photo of an outfit they like, while Zalando might invest in better filter options like material type, size availability, or ethical sourcing. Speaking of filters, another advanced method is dynamic filtering metrics. This measures how often and how effectively users engage with filters. For Asos, filters like trends or editor's pick might resonate more with their audience, while Zalando might see high engagement with utility-driven filters like sustainable fashion or clothing for cold climates. Knowing which filters drive conversions can help prioritize features and influence product taxonomy. Let's dive into returns optimization metrics, a game changer for e-commerce profitability. Both platforms deal with high return rates, but their strategies might differ. For Asos, analyzing the returns-to-repurchase ratio could indicate whether customers are satisfied enough with their replacements to shop again. For Zalando, fit accuracy scores could be a key metric, leveraging customer feedback on how well items fit to improve site recommendations and reduce returns over time. Then there is path-to-purchase heat mapping. This involves tracking every step a customer takes before clicking buy, from product discovery to reading reviews to adding to the cart. On Asos, you might notice that users spend more time in product descriptions, looking for trends, validation, or influencer references. Zalando, on the other hand, might see users comparing several items side by side. This insight can shape how you prioritize certain features, like faster image loading on Asos versus enhanced comparison tools on Zalando. Another advanced tool is multi-touch attribution analysis. Both platforms invest heavily in marketing, but understanding which touch points drive actual conversions is critical. Asos might see high impact from social media ads, while Zalando might benefit more from email campaigns highlighting seasonal discounts. Multi-touch attribution helps you allocate resources more effectively across channels. Now, here is one that's often overlooked: logistics impact scoring. This measures how shipping times, costs, and delivery options influence the likelihood of conversion. Asos could use this metric to promote features like same-day delivery in urban areas, while Zalando might highlight free returns or eco-friendly packaging for its sustainably conscious audience. Finally, let's not forget Net Promoter Score, but let's elevate it introducing segmented NPS. Instead of a single score, you'd track NPS for different user personas: first-time buyers, repeat customers, or high-value shoppers. This allows platforms to identify specific areas to improve, whether that's onboarding for newbies or personalized loyalty rewards for seasoned shoppers. The key takeaway here: building platforms like Asos and Zalando isn't just about creating a great shopping experience, it's about optimizing every touchpoint along the journey. By layering advanced metrics and methodologies, you create a finely tuned engine that not only attracts customers but keeps them coming back for more. It's about turning data into decisions and decisions into delight, because at the end of the day, that's what keeps these platforms thriving. And that's a wrap on part 3. We have explored the product management methods and metrics that fuel the success of Zalando and Asos. But our journey isn't over yet. In the final part of this series, we'll shift gears and uncover some hidden tips and tricks for using these platforms like a pro. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.